everyone, back at it again. Just wanted to kind of give a little more clarification as to Sessions and Associates. I had posted a video in the beginning of January 2023 introducing Sessions and Associates new business line, which is Sessions Lending Group, right? So let me go ahead and kind of elaborate again on the company as a whole, okay? First and foremost, Sessions and Associates is a holding company, right? Offering system and solutions for generational wealth creation. Well, what is that, right? It sounds like a bunch of words, right? Well, systems, right? Everything's a system. Everything. Think about it. So if I'm offering you a system, right, and solutions for generational wealth creation, what is that, right? So many people are like, wait, what is that? Are you a financial advisor? You know, or you, what are you? No, I'm just offering solutions and a system. And so the company has four major pillars that makes up the company, right? So what are those pillars? Well, like I mentioned just a moment ago, in January, I introduced SLG as a new pillar as part of the company, right? SLG, which is Sessions Lending Group. Sessions Lending Group is the residential commercial lending arm of the company. Right, it's the engine that drives everything, okay? So some people may say, okay, DJ, so you're a loan officer. Yes, I do help people when they want to purchase a home, buy real estate, whether that's a one-family, two-family, three-family, four-family. As some of you may know, as you go over 4 units in a residential property, that is considered a commercial. Okay, so if you're doing 5 units or more, I can help people get that type of financing, okay? So what about if I want to refinance my home? Yes, I can help you refinance your home, pull equity out. Well, wait. I got a 3% interest rate. I'm not doing anything with that. But I want to access my equity. Can I get a home equity loan? Yes, I can help you get a home equity loan, right? Do a line of credit to access the equity in your home. So those are some of the things that I can do. On the residential side, commercial side, same thing, right? You want to buy a commercial building, an apartment building, you want to buy an industrial park. And one of the other nice things too I want to mention is that I can also help people do business financing, right? Say you own a business and you need working capital, right? And again, this is someone maybe within 6 months, a year, you've been in business 10 years, right? You need financing. People know when you run a business, you need capital to keep the business going, right? So I think it is important to understand all of the things that we can offer, okay? So that's all under the Sessions Lending Group umbrella. It's a lot, but I think in today's world, it's important to you to know that you have options, okay? Well, what else does it do? You said 4 pillars. There's only one, right? Yeah, so BDG, Business Development Group, okay? That's the second pillar. We are a networking group of like-minded professionals, okay? Now, I'm gonna say this. If you understand BNI, then you understand BDG, okay? Same concept, a little different, right? So I'll give you an example. You know, you're meeting with people to be able to share reciprocity with each other, right? My main space is lending, right? But I want to also bring together people who maybe are in real estate, right? Their main thing is they do real estate, okay? But real estate is a good thing for me because they send people my way who need the financing to purchase the real estate. So that's a natural progression there, right? Insurance is another third component to the BDG, right? Someone who does any type of insurance, right? Whether it's residential, commercial, business insurance, right? I can refer to them, right? And even sometimes I can also refer to real estate as well, right? So there's a nice natural referring process there. What about someone else, right? Well, financial advisors, right? Securities, right? Sometimes people want to dabble in stocks and bonds and any type of retirement, you know, that's securities, okay? So now you got a financial advisor who can help someone, whether it's the plan for their retirement, right? You know, so on and so forth. So financial advisor is another part of the reciprocity process, okay? Well, who else? Legal. Legal's a really important one, right? Why is that? Well, I think we know the type of life we live, and so it's important. If you may not even realize, if you're buying assets, you're going to need to get a will. You're going to need to maybe get a trust, something intact that will help protect you and your family to build that generational wealth, right? So having an attorney as a part of the process is important. Okay. Now, well, what else, DJ? I would say accounting, CPA, right? A lot of times your CPA, your accountant, man, they trump card everybody, because at the end of the day, most people are trying to, not pay as much money into taxes and all that, so on and so forth, right? So a CPA is important, and it's not even about trying to avoid tax. It's about doing what's on the books, or I don't even want to use the word loophole, but knowing all of the different tax strategies for your business situation, right? That's what it really boils down to. Okay. So yeah, okay. So now we got, and then you've got consultants, you've got other lines of business. You got the medical. There are a lot of different services out there, but I just kind of wanted to mention those 6 just because I just remembered when I started BDG, I noticed I was trying to see who was actually coming, who paid dues, who wanted to be a part of this, and I kind of realized that those 6 different sectors were a part of that. And that was kind of a theme going on. Okay, that's 2. Now, number 3, L.I.F.E. Right? Some of you may be aware of my show, L.I.F.E, Lessons in Financial Empowerment. We are just a show right now. One of the cool things about L.I.F.E is I started doing it, just doing shows to the, not even doing shows, I was just doing talks in the credit union and, or in other things. I'd get invited out and I'd talk about financial literacy. And I turned it into a show, right? Lessons in Financial Empowerment. And then it's on WCSU FM. It's a Central State HBCU here in Ohio. And then I started doing it on YouTube, right? And again, I'm trying to stay up with the times as well. So, I'm definitely kind of trying to move things forward. So that's just a show. Me, I'm trying to bring on more guests, right? Because it isn't all about me. It's just trying to give information out there. So that's L.I.F.E, Lessons in Financial Empowerment, right? And then finally, number 4, pride. Pride. What is pride? Passionate, resilient, independent, driven entrepreneur, right? It's a book I wrote on mindset. Talks a little bit, there's a chapter in there about my life. And it's something that I truly believe embodies the true entrepreneur, the true person. And I say that even the story of us, right? Because pride can mean a lot of things to a lot of different people, right? What I say is find your own pride. Find your own pride, right? And I kind of came up with this, even pride, right? When you say passion. Okay, how do you get passion? Find your purpose, right? How do you become resilient? Right? Learn to resist, right? What do you mean by independent? Independent thinking. That also can mean just being intelligent, right? What do you mean by, being driven, right? It means being disciplined, right? And then finally, entrepreneur. Well, hey, I don't work for myself. I work for, it's okay being an employee or an executive, right? But it's also about that mindset. You can be an employee, but have an executive or an entrepreneur mindset, right? So that's pride, and again, so that's kind of a summing up again. Sessions and Associates. I just wanted to kind of put that out there. Thank you again for taking the time to listen. Have a good day.